afternoon sharpeners, groomers, and hairdressers and cutters. Over here I'm right now doing some knives, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a grassroots idea. Right now I'm sharpening all the knives for the local fire station, CAL FIRE, local municipality, but they're very grateful. These guys put a lot of work in, and sometimes when they're back at home they have to cook food. If their knives are dull, it's hard for them to get that stuff done. So I like to show up to all the fire stations, sharpen all their knives for free, and give back to those guys because I know they work their freaking ass off. And if you don't know, I was a firefighter for 5 seasons for the Forest Service on a hotshot crew. That's where I learned to sharpen. And if anybody has any ideas on some grassroots marketing for any business that you have, hit me up on the Live Sharpener, hit me up on Battleborn Blade Sharpening, hit me up on John Shearcoats. Just hit me up.